Shit. Yeah, through telling time. Brain at work. Brain at work. You are all welcome back to this educational program. Yeah. So today's on we are asking a simple question. Okay, we are asking a simple question. Yesterday we've learned things together. You see, always we say that on our platform, you don't need to be a scholar.
Oh yes.
You don't need to be a scholar before you understand the message. We make the message so clear. We make the message so simple for everybody to understand it. So today is a simple question. If you were CSF member, if you were Muslim, you were a TTT or whosoever, let's all come together, reason together, and find the truth.
Oh yes.
And find the truth. Now, I'm saying, you say, who is a great liar, Avram or Sheikh Muhammad Awal?
You.
Between Abraham bin Moshe, between Avram bin Moshe and Sheikh Muhammad Awal,
Oh yeah.
who is the great liar? Fatu Trim.
Yeah.
Now you know me. When we say true telling time, Yembo Yetrim, Evankasa, we don't talk from our desire. We talk on fact and based on truth.
Yes.
See already. Yesterday, Yehu contradiction. I see our Sheikh Muhammad Awal and Ahmed did that umuntem and then ye the fufro kra and then today we are bringing you a new version.
Oh yes.
About Sheikh Muhammad Awal. See, Yabako Yinim.
Yeah.
The kind, I'm coming to play a video. Video, you know, please. Someone say these people are saying that Avram doesn't understand English.
Yes.
They say Avram doesn't understand English. So this video, in the first place, we are checking the English, the grammar of Sheikh Muhammad Awal. Let's check the grammar and see if he at least, so if it is Avram alone who doesn't understand English or Sheikh is also part. Moses
was a king in Israel. His words authority. He had the right to take life and let it go. Muhammad have the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community. He have the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Moses was a king in Israel. His words authority. He had the right to take life and let it go. Muhammad have the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community. He have the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Moses was a king in Israel. His words authority. He had the right to take life and let it go. Muhammad have the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community.
Yeah, Abusiam.
Yeah.
You are back. When you listen to the Sheikh correctly, the Sheikh is saying that Moses have the right to take life, and the Prophet Muhammad also have the right to take life. Abusiam for you say Avram bin Moshe doesn't understand English. You, the Muslim, you are the people who understand English. Accepted. You are the descendants of Queen Elizabeth. Accepted. You are the descendants of King James. Accepted. Do we say Moses have or we say Moses has? Is he have or has? You see, this is not personal attack.
No.
Okay? Let's get it clear. Let's get it clear that we are not here for personal attack. But because if you are saying that Avram bin Moshe doesn't understand English. That is why you cannot debate him. Now you who understand English, look at what you are saying. You are saying that Moses have the right to take life. Moses, when you are doing grammar, when you are doing the structure, Moses is the personal pronoun for Moses will be what? He, third person singular. Third person singular. So when you are conjugating verb to have, the verb to have in the third person singular, it is what? It is has. Present tense. Has. H-A-S. H-A-S. So if you are saying that Abraham bin Moshe does not understand English, that is the reason you cannot debate him. Now you who understand English, listen to what you are saying. So Moses have the right to take life, and Muhammad also have the right to take life. We don't say Moses have the right. Yes. We say Moses has. Why? So the measurement you use to check others, that same measurement will be used to check you. Yes. Until now, if you say we or Abraham doesn't understand English, fine. At least he can speak tree. Yes. Abraham can speak Ga and can speak many more languages. Your God understands only Arabic. So still, Abraham is better than your God in terms of language.
Oh yes.
In terms of language, Abraham is still better than your God. For the benefit of doubt. Me say, look. You say you guys understand English. Me catch that. Me a language student.
Oh, yes.
But you see, the little you know, the little you know, just apply it. Then somebody knows it more than you do.
Oh yes.
Me na become true. Then somebody knows it more than you do. Do not think you know it all. Why? Moses have.
In Israel, his words authority. He have the
Moses
right
have
to take life and let it go.
Arabic English.
Same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community. He have the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Moses was a king. In Israel, his words authority. He have the right to take life and let it go. Muhammad have the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community. He have the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Moses was a king.
Okay, so this one we stand to be corrected.
Oh yes.
Maybe in Arabic, maybe according to the Quran, we say he have. I don't know. So we stand to be corrected.
Oh, yes.
But the little grammar I did, you know, I know that the verb to have, simple present tense, third person singular. And I'm going to get the full conjugation. Verb to have, present tense, we say I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, they have. That is a conjugation. Okay? Nti mu amoti brofo no enumponi. Onumponi.
Yeah.
Afi yenko na sem no so. The same video, but this time around, let's forget about the grammar. Let's concentrate on the semantic. You see, we have lexical, you have the lexic and the semantic. I am a teacher by profession. I will teach you A, B, C, D.
Oh yes.
What you are saying? Now, I am done with the lexic. I am moving to the semantic. Yes. The meaning of what he is saying. Until the same video again. I'm say that or say Moses was a king in Israel. Hi. Where was Moses? Moses or Odihini or Israel? Moses. Sheikh Muhammad Awal. Ojina platform so can say Moses was a king in Israel. Moses has never been a king in Israel. It is in the Talmud. It is in the Jewish tradition that Moses has been a king in Mesopotamia. Okay?
Yes.
After he fled in Egypt, according to the Bible, Moses has killed an Egyptian, and Pharaoh wanted to persecute Moses, and he ran away from Egypt. According to the Jews, that even that one is not in the Bible. According to the Jews, Moses became king in Mesopotamia, not in Israel. So Sheikh Muhammad Awal, you says Moses has been a king in Israel. It is a lie. Me say it is a lie.
Oh yes.
Mensonge. Ntro. Montie.
Moses was a king
Maria
in Israel.
Nkramofo. Monkotu bebia Moses. Our Israel. I am coming to show you the kings in Israel.
Moses had the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community.
What you say?
He had the right to spare.
The always me can say I'm defending Abraham. I'm not defending Abraham. The name of this page is Truth Telling Time. Ntropio bibia. Na ye hwehwe sasem na mo. Nsan ntro no na de sinche. Nukre wo mu no na be ka kira manfa. Aha, eye Truth Telling
He
Time.
had the right
What you say?
to take life and let it go. Muhammad had the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger.
So Moses has been a king in Israel.
He had the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Moses was a king.
Now, let me show you. Moses, okay? I must say we all know the stories of the Bible from Adam down to King Saul. We have Adam, Abel, and Cain. After that, then we come to get another icon, which was Enoch. Then Lamech, Methuselah, Noah. Then we come to get Shem, and after Shem we got Terah. Then Abraham, and Abraham we have Isaac, Jacob. Then Jacob we have Lewi. Lewi we have Kehat. Kehat we have Amram. Then we got Moses. Then Moses now there was no king.
Oh yes.
Also my Bible no tofa. Adam, Enosh, Methuselah, Enoch, Lamech, Noah, Shem, Terah, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob, Lewi, Kehat, Amram, Moses. All this while these people, Moses has never been a king in Israel. Nti Moses born and never share on hini humbra at the man Israel for our Deuteronomy chapter 17, the verse number 14.
Yo, Deuteronomy 17:14.
Deuteronomy 17:14. Deuteronomy 17:14. Now who shake Awal Muhammad. Momo say Abraham on Tibrofo.
Yeah.
On him hey. Into one can say debate, you know. Their only money. Is there what you know? Yeah. So Moses has been a king in Israel. Maria, Nkremofomuko fast verse number. Deuteronomy 17:14. Verse 14. So we do as I say, Moses is a catch Israel for no, because in Numbers chapter 20. Moses and Aaron, according to Bible, Moses will not enter the promised land. Moses didn't enter the promised land. He didn't enter the promised land. Deuteronomy chapter 34. No, sir, Moses has been a king in Israel. Verse 1. Moses Moses free Moab pempremuno.
Efuko nebo be poso.
My uncle brofo. Kremofo almost a anti brofo ntino. My enka brofo mo no ho say brofo no Kaka yetino yebetimi aka ne yipa. What you say?
Verse 1.
Verse 1.
The death of Moses.
The death of Moses. Nti the sheikh ne say Moses has been a king in Israel. Ye check say Moses Israel assassino okoho and awankoho. Yonkwe.
Moses went up from the place of Moab.
Do not forget, sir. In the first place, Moses was born in Egypt.
Yeah.
He was born in Egypt, and then he ran away to Mesopotamia, went back to Egypt.
Yeah.
Now from Egypt, they are coming to Israel. And let's see what happened to Moses. Yonkwe.
Moses went up from the place of Moab.
Yes.
To Mount Nebo, to the top of Mount Pisgah.
To the top of the Mount Pisgah.
East of Jericho.
East of Jericho.
And there the Lord showed him the whole land.
In the top of the Mount Pisgah,
yeah.
God showed Moses the whole land.
The territory of Gilead.
The territories of Gilead.
As far north as the town of Dan.
Yes.
The entire territory of Naphtali.
The entire territories of what? Naphtali. Baba John Naphtali. No, Jacob ba. The entire territories of Naphtali.
The territory of Ephraim.
The territories of Ephraim.
And Manasseh.
And Manasseh.
The territory of Judah.
And yet Israel assassin. No. And yet Israel was your assassin. It is not that there the Lord showed him. From verse 1.
Verse number 1.
Topic no.
The death of Moses.
The death of Moses. Remember? Malam na say, so Malamu, Sheikh Muhammad Awal say, Moses has been a king in Israel.
Oh yes.
According to Bible, Moses didn't enter the land of Israel. Anuna ye checking.
Moses went up from the place of Moab.
Yes.
To Mount Nebo.
To Mount Nebo.
To the top of Mountain Pisgah.
To the top of Mountain Pisgah.
East of Jericho.
East of Jericho.
And there the Lord showed him the whole land.
The Lord showed Moses. The Lord showed Moses. Moses didn't enter the land of Israel. Yes. There the Lord showed Moses. Oh, Kremofo. Moses sa kwawe. Hey, debate na baso kra kai eye. Because on the days of the debate, I am tron kwan obabetra. No waka say walai. Yonkwe.
The territory of Gilead.
The territories of Gilead.
As far north as the town of Dan.
Thank you.
The entire territory of Naphtali.
Yes.
The territory of Ephraim.
The territories of Ephraim.
And Manasseh. The territory of Judah.
The territories of Judah.
As far west as the Mediterranean Sea.
Yes.
The southern part of Judah.
Okay.
And the plain that reaches from Zoar to Jericho.
Yes.
The city of palm trees.
Yes.
Then the Lord said to Moses.
There the Lord said to Moses,
this is the land that I promised Abraham.
This land of Israel is the land that God has promised what? Abraham, Isaac,
and Jacob. I will give to their descendants.
I will give this land of Israel, the land of Canaan. I will give this land to their descendants.
I have let you see it.
God have let you, Moses, see the land.
But I will not let you go there.
And I also say,
oh.
And I also say,
I have let you see it.
I have let you see the land.
But I will not let you go there.
But I will not let you go there. So Moses,
the Lord's servant, died there.
In
the land of Moab.
In the land of Moab.
As the Lord has said.
As the Lord has said. Verse 10.
Verse number 10.
Verse 10.
There has never been a prophet in Israel.
There has never been a prophet in Israel
like Moses.
The
Lord spoke with.
Oh
yes.
Allah prophet. Number 1. Sheikh Awal Muhammad.
Yeah.
You say Moses has been a king in Israel. Ye check here. Even the land of Israel, Moses Moses has never stepped into the land. One step, when do hokra. Now, Obia one kwasa sino sono. Ayana sunsun. Ne samne di hino ho.
I am sir.
Na Mose Avram Trantro. We na Mose ay Avram Trantro.
Yo.
Momo di ene no kure na mo ka no. Afri number 2. Man this prophet said Moses when di hini. Now may tell the first king in Israel. 1 Samuel chapter 9, the verse number 26. The book of 1 Samuel. In kono brofo. In kono brofo na nkremofo se brofo si brofo na mo pe. What you say? 1 Samuel chapter 9 verse 26.
9:26.
Yes.
Verses number 26.
No, come. 1 Samuel chapter 8. Neka topic now, sir. 1 Samuel chapter 8. Topic now.
The people asked for a king.
The people. You go to verse B. Yeah, already. Okay.
Yeah.
Deuteronomy
17.
Deuteronomy 17:14. Ya catch Moses and Aaron that say they will not enter the promised land. In the book of Deuteronomy chapter 17, Moses and the Anhidius opus so see him a crowd so see him and Moses or the directives and the man Israel for and Deuteronomy chapter 34 and Moses Nakasam Sunday ewi one call assassin so according to storybook. 17:14.
Verses number 14.
Verse 14.
Instructions concerning a king.
Instruction concerning a king.
After you have taken a possession of the land.
Moses Moses say Israel for after you have taken possessions of the land and the land ben Naphtali Asase, Judah Asase, and the Asase. After you, the peoples of Israel, the descendants of Jacob, after you have taken possessions of the land of Canaan,
that the Lord your God is going to give you.
That the Lord your God is what?
Going to give you.
So, I say, after you take possession of the land, that the Lord your God is going to give you. So Moses say, after we have taken possession of the land, that the Lord our God is going to give us. When your friend in English, onti grammar say, me am I literature, I philosophy. What the way we bring me so. Look, by all means, somebody knows it more than me. That is why I don't bound myself. What you must say. But some person you measure your match your boot for booter intellectually. You can't. After you have taken possession of the land,
that the Lord your God is going to give you.
That the Lord your God is going to give you.
And have settled there.
Then
you will decide you need a king.
You will decide that you, the peoples of Israel that I'm going to live, and you people are going to decide that you need a king.
Like all the nations around you. Make sure that the man you choose to be a king.
Make sure that the man you choose to be a king
is the one whom the Lord has chosen.
Yes.
He must be one of your own people.
That king must be one of your own people.
Do not make a foreigner your king.
Do not make. This is what Moses is telling the peoples of Israel. Because Moses knows that he is not going to enter the land. What you say? Yeah. He is not going to enter the land. So he's giving the instruction to the people.
Yeah.
It is here, Avram bin Moshe and Sheikh Muhammad Awal, who is the liar. Obviously, Avram, you're a comedian. So you're a comedian, and you said you're all canon. Or you're serious on what he's saying.
Yes.
But more you're a comedian. You portray yourself to be serious on. And I'm also more country. Until when they're here, West. Asem your was a teacher Kojoka, Yan Fanoko police station. Oh, Koka, you don't because teacher Kojo, you say we're comedian. To us, bro.
He must be one of your people.
The king must be one of your people.
Do not make a foreigner your king.
Do not make a foreigner your king.
The king is not to have a large number of horses.
Until these are the instruction about the king.
Yes.
The king must not have a large number of
horses for his army.
Yes.
And he is not to send people to Egypt.
Yes.
To buy horses.
Yes.
Because
So Moses has taught the people if they are to select a king,
yes,
the kind of person they are to choose as a king for themselves.
Yes.
So Moses has given them the blueprint or the roadmap.
Yes.
And yes, sir. Moses has given them the architecture or the roadmap. And 1 Samuel chapter 8. Topic in the
1 Samuel chapter 8.
I will give you a lecture. My lecture one can say here. 1 Samuel 8. Topic in verse 10.
The people ask for a king.
The
people ask for a king.
The peoples of Israel asked for a king. Said Deuteronomy 17:14 say, you will decide to have a king or no. The people ask for what? A king. After verse 10.
Verse number 10.
Verse 10.
Samuel told the people who were asking him for a king.
Moses and Samuel. Samuel. Because that time Moses were there. Samuel. Na Israel for more use judges. Temufo. they use judges to rule themselves. So he got to a time and said, no, we are no more going to use judges. Let us have a king. Just like currently in Israel, they don't have president, they have prime minister, Benjamin Netanyahu. So if these people of Israel today, they decide to have a president, something like this is going to happen. What you say? Yeti brofo, munya butre, nenye brofo. Wisdom does not dwell in English. English is not a container of wisdom. What you say?
Someone told the people who were asking him for a king.
Someone told the people of Israel who were asking for a king.
Everything that
the
Lord had said to him. This is how your king will treat you.
This is how your king will treat you.
Samuel explained
to the people of Israel, demanding him for a king.
He will make soldiers of your sons.
So Samuel is telling the king, the people of Israel, that, hey, people of Israel, it is judges that are used to rule you. Now that you are demanding for a king, you are going to have a king who is not going to treat you well.
Some of them will serve in his war chariot, others in his cavalry. And others will run before a star of them officers.
Chapter 9, verse 26.
Chapter 9, verses number 26.
Chapter 9, verse 26. First Samuel.
And he slept there.
And Samuel slept there.
At dawn. Samuel called to Saul.
Wait, Oko Sunday school. They will teach you. The first king of Israel, King Saul. The second king of Israel, King David. The first righteous king of Israel, King David.
Samuel anointed Saul as ruler.
Samuel anointed Saul as a ruler.
Adam.
Sheikh Muhammad Awal who said Moses has been a king for Israel. Even in this book, according that one is not here. According to Bible, Moses has never been a king. But according to the Jewish tradition, Moses has been a king in Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia, not Israel. Adam.
Samuel called to Saul.
On the roof.
Get up.
I
will send you on your way.
Yes.
Saul got up.
You say anointing. You anointing as a king. Muhammad Awal.
Moses was a king in Israel. His words authority. He had the right to take life and let it go. Muhammad have the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community. He have the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Moses was a king in Israel. His words authority. He had the right to take life and let it go. Muhammad have the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community. He have the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life. Moses was a king in Israel. His words authority. He had the right to take life and let it go. Muhammad have the same right. He was a king, a leader, a messenger in that community. He had the right to spare, to take life, to legislate whatever he wants. Jesus Christ never had that luxury life.
Yeah, let's come back from this one. Now let's move to part 2.
Yes.
Part 2. In the first part, and that's okay. Let's move to part 2. Right. Still, the question is, who is the great liar?
Oh yes.
Avram bin Moshe or Sheikh Muhammad Awal?
Yo.
Who is a great liar? Avram bin Moshe or Sheikh Muhammad Awal? Let's go. Yenti no kakrebi. Yenti, let's listen to him. The same man, the one who said Moses has been a king and Prophet Muhammad has also been a king. No, the same man. He says something different. He is going to quote certain verse from the New Testament. Even the Jews, there are some people calling themselves Jews here in Ghana. They have also been misquoting that verse, that quotation. We will also take it and see it. Part 2.
Luke 19 verse 27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me. Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19 verse 27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me. Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19 verse 27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me. Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19 verse 27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me. Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19 verse 27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you.
Lies part 2.
Yeah.
Papa no say. Papa no.
Yes.
Papa no Sheikh Muhammad Awal say. Or go to the book of Luke chapter 19.
Yo.
Onwa go to Luke 19 verse 27. And I will say. Jesus says, those enemies of his.
Yes.
Referring to him, Jesus himself. So those enemies of his who don't want him to be their king, they should bring them so that he may slay them. I am saying it is a lie.
Oh yes.
The verse is not about Jesus. Papa no watram to atoso nieno. Papa no Papa Sheikh Muhammad Awal watram ntro atoso nienu. And you people calling yourself learned people. Do you know what is in our brain before we keep quiet watching you? It is not about insult. It is not about insult. Luke chapter 19 verse 27.
Verses number 27.
Luke 19:27.
One person me di one swinging.
Matamfo on person me and I say on person me di omuso hinino.
One for umbraha.
On for mumbraha.
Na mumbe kuwan.
Number kuwan. Ewo menim. Kabafo de no. Luke 19:27.
19:27.
Aye. Yeah.
Verses number 27.
Verse 27.
Now, as for those enemies
of mine, yes,
who did not want me to be their king, bring them here, and kill them in my presence.
Say no. And you will not say, me say even Jews, the Jews quote this verse and say, so when they quote like this, then they will quote Matthew chapter 5 verse 43. Jesus says, pray for your enemies.
Oh yes.
Matthew 5:43.
Matthew 5:43.
Matthew 5:43. So when you take the two quotations, according to the Jews, they quote it as a contradiction.
Oh yes.
Where any contradiction? Look, I am not a hypocrite. I will tell you the truth. these Jews sometimes they quote New Testament out of context against Jesus. For the fact that I don't agree, I don't accept Jesus as a personal savior and Lord, doesn't mean go and stand somewhere and lies in his account. No, I will not agree.
Oh yes.
In Matthew chapter 5 verse 43.
Verse 43.
Verse 43 no. Nti sati topic no say
do atamfo
to us anyway.
What say waka say?
Yesu say, "Mwati ya ka tretetefo no say,
don yanku
nata watamfo." Yes. Na me Yesu die. Mesemo say.
Mundo
matamfo.
Musha wana wopa no.
No mo nti aha Yesu say die.
Do atamfo.
And now Luke 19:27 so die.
27. Asna matamfo one person me di wo so.
Matamfo mo person me di o mo so hini no. Mo fa mo bra ha.
Na mo be ku wan
no mo ku mo mo ni. Nti am say na Jew for ma fa 2 verses way.
Yeah.
Say Jesus are contradicting him. Baku Jesus say pray for your enemies.
Yes.
And Baku Jesus say bring my enemies and kill them in my presence.
Oh, yes.
Na pa wo cho book no enye sa na yesu ya no. What you say? Nti ye be santie papa no Sheikh Muhammad Awal ye santie na Baku na ya kire verse na say why sa na ye no me membe nya allegation bi wa ha.
Luke 19:27 Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, "For those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me." Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19:27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, "For those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me." Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19:27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, "For those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me." Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king.
Yeah, Abusiafo, mama yefa we ntwem let's meet. Yebesre our YouTube channel. Yeah, moti e kanono Truth Telling Time TV. Your YouTube. Okay, your YouTube channel no ene wo hono no. What you say?
Yeah.
There is our YouTube channel. Yeah, Truth Telling Time TV. Subscribe to your YouTube channel no. You may not always have money or resources to support us. What you say? So, as you are supporting, you are subscribing to the YouTube channel, helping the family to grow. One day, we will become self-dependent. We will become independent. What you say?
Yes.
We will become self-dependent or independent. Now, you bet me support here. Into your YouTube channel no, and kama Truth Telling Time TV. Our YouTube, no one subscribe. What you say?
Yeah.
Later, the channel no. The channel link no. The baka caption no. Na bia kama. What you say? See, I was say we have heard the Sheikh saying that Jesus quote Luke 19:27, referring to himself, saying, "Those enemies of mine who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them in my presence." It is never true. These are not the words of Jesus. Jesus gave a parable about somebody else. So Jesus said, "This is what the person say." This is what the person say. Yes, that verse was not about Jesus, but Jesus was talking about somebody else. Therefore, when you take Luke 19:27 and Matthew chapter 5 verse 43, and also a contradiction, and how.
Yes.
After Luke chapter 19 verse 11 to 27.
Yo, verse number 11 no.
Verse 11.
Asna wa tie we no.
Na omo tie we no mo.
Otwaso ebu baby.
Otwaso yes we dey.
Otwaso ebu baby.
Nti eya bebu ana eya real thing.
Eya bebu.
How eya parable.
Yes.
Eya bebu.
Aye.
Because you want to find fault with Jesus. You see, me, I am so sincere and honest to the extent that I will not force a story against you.
Oh yes.
what you have said is what I will use against you.
Amen.
I will not force a story against you. Empowerment. For the fact that I don't accept Jesus doesn't mean I should just say anything at all about him. This verse is not about Jesus.
Oh, yes.
You say there.
No,
a sure for an Israel for Omogada. Oh, yes, we change our motive. Yes, we to uncommon so and obu baby. Every say.
No, I buy Jerusalem.
Na Yesu, Omo Nanti Konon, na Akakan will do Jerusalem. Na Yesu Susu say. Yes.
Enti waka say.
Ana Yesu ka say.
Odehia bi ekwa asase bi so.
Wanya.
Odehia bi.
Nti aye Yesu. Aye number 1, aye real story ana aye parable.
Parable.
Number 2, Yesu say, me kwa asase bi so ana odehia bi.
Odehia bi.
Twas way.
Odehia bi ekwa asase bi so.
Yes.
Etititi.
Yes.
Ayokwaje na hinde. Na wasaba. Na ofra nko a emu du.
Yes.
Ede manu edu ema.
To boss ne kan.
Yeah.
Nti sa odehia no.
Ofra nko a edu.
Owo nko a baku owo 7 baku 10.
Ede menadu.
And on the 10 shekels, you find a shekel, and I said 10 cedis. Yeah. Let's say 10 cedis, and I said $10. And the Mamu
Bia. Yes. Now, I'll catch on say.
I know catch on say.
Munya who eduma.
Munya mufa sasikawe. Mufa konya business.
Because semeba.
Mufanya business. And the kosi say me ko akwentu no na masanaba.
Na ne man for etan.
Na sa papa no e kura wo free no. Sa kromufo na kasa ono kasa na kromufo mo ye de. Omotan papa no.
Na was man abofo edi na ti say.
No. Tell my papa na kono no ntina aka English no we anya abofo aka messengers abofo no bibe ka say abofo free so but I am messengers. Yes. What you say Bible say abofo enye de ofro ntaban bofo means messenger. Yes. Nti yesuma abofo de papa na chi say
ya pesa oyi edi yan so hene
nti ka English no anya krema obia okay.
Verses number 11.
Luke 19:11. Yeah.
While the people were listening to this,
when the people were listening to this,
Jesus continued and told them a parable.
Jesus continued and told them a parable.
He was now almost at Jerusalem.
Jesus was now almost at Jerusalem.
And they supposed that the kingdom of God was just about to appear. The
kingdom of God
was just about to appear. So
Jesus said,
there was once a man of high rank.
There was once a man of high rank
who was going to a country far away to be made a king.
That man of high rank is going to a country far away to be made what?
A king.
Like Caesar Dakoba. Some a man of high rank.
Oh yes.
Like Caesar Dakoba going to Saudi Arabia to be made king there.
After which
he
planned to come back home.
So the man was going to another country.
Oh yes.
Monty story na yepao. The man was going to another country to be made king.
Yes.
After that, he will come back home to his hometown.
Before he left, he called his 10 servants and gave them each a gold coin and told them.
This man of high rank called his 10 servants and give them what? A gold coin.
Oh yes.
10 gold coins.
See what you can earn with this while I am gone.
Yes.
Now, his own people hated him.
Now, that man of high rank,
yes,
who is going to another country in order to be made king,
yeah,
his own people do what? Hated him.
And so they sent messengers after him.
I was a messengers.
Oh yes.
Waka say angels.
Yeah.
But she not say abofo. Why do you say angel? There be any angel. A messenger. What you say?
Yeah.
So they sent his hometown people send messengers after him.
We don't want this man to be our king.
So the messengers were following the man of high rank. Yeah. Oh, we don't want you to be our king. We don't want you to be our king. This what they were telling the man.
Yeah.
So Infant say Sister Dakoba, I am going to Saudi Arabia to be made king. And the Ghanaians were following me saying you to be our king. So, we don't want you to be our king. Okay?
Yeah.
As it was right.
The man was made king.
The man was made king
and came back.
So successfully, the man was made king in the foreign country.
Yes.
And he came back home.
At once he ordered a servant to appear before him. In order to find out how much they had earned.
Yes.
The first one came.
Yes.
And said,
the first servant came.
Sir,
I
have earned gold coins with the one you gave me.
So the first servant, the 10 gold coins which were given to him, he got another 10 in addition, making it 20.
Well done.
Well done.
He said, you are a good servant.
You were a good servant.
Since you were faithful in small matters.
Since you were faithful in small matters,
I will put you in charge of 10 cities.
I will put you, you see, so you made 100% interest. So because you made 100% interest, then that country I was making, I will put you in charge of what?
10 cities.
10 cities there.
The second servant came.
The second servant came
and said,
Sir,
I have earned 5 gold coins with the one you gave me.
So the second servant made 50% profit.
Yes.
Out of he was given 10 coins and he got 5 in addition, making it 50% interest. So
to this one,
he said,
you will be in charge of 5 cities.
You will be in charge of 5 cities there.
Another servant came
and said,
here is your gold coin.
Here are your 10 gold coin.
I kept it hidden.
I kept the 10 gold coin hiding. Baby.
Yes. In a handkerchief. I was afraid of you.
I was afraid of you. Because
you are a hard man.
You are a hard man.
You take what is not yours.
You take what is not yours.
And reap what you have.
So this servant did not make any profit on the money. He did not make any profit on over the money.
Yes.
He
said to him.
So the man who was making in the foreign country, the master of this servant said to the master,
you bad servant.
You bad servant.
I will use your own words to condemn you.
I will use your own words to condemn, just the way we are using Sheikh Mohammed Awas' own word to condemn you this morning.
Yeah.
You
know that?
You know that?
I am a hard man.
You yourself, you know that I am a hard man.
Taking what is not mine.
Taking what is not mine.
And reaping what I have not sown.
Yes.
Well then.
Why
didn't you put my money in the bank?
Why didn't you put my money? Why didn't you use my money to do fee deposit? Or why didn't you use it to buy treasure bill? Yes.
Then I will have received it back with interest. When I return. Then he said to those who were standing there.
So he said, Theo.
Yeah.
So the man of high rank who was made country, who is now a servant, the one who did not make profit,
and give it to the servant who has 10 coins.
And give it to the servant who has made 100% interest.
But they said to him,
and they said to the master, say,
he already has 10 coins.
Yes.
I tell you.
He replied
that all those.
Verse 26.
I tell you.
He
replied.
The master of high rank replied
that
yes,
to all those who have something, even more will be given.
Even more will be given to them.
But
so story we say what is story that? What be that? It was way.
But those who have nothing.
But those who have nothing.
Even the little that they have will be taken away from them.
Those who have nothing, even the little that they have will be taken away from them.
Verse 27. Now, as for those enemies of mine,
those who were following him, we don't want you to be our king. We don't want you to be our king. No. As for those enemies of mine,
who did not want me to be their king, bring them here, and kill them in my presence.
Talking about himself, or is the master who is talking? Abba. Where your friend reported speech. Reported speech. Mona moti brofo. You are the people who understand English. They do one networking. You are the people who understand English.
Oh yes.
So the man said. So verse 20. Verse 26 to 27.
Verse 26 to 27.
Yes.
26. I tell you. He
replied.
That to all those who have something.
All those who have something.
Even more
will be given.
But those who have nothing.
Even
the little that they have.
Even the little that they have
will be taken away from them.
Verse 27.
Verse 27. Now.
As
enemies of mine.
As for those enemies of mine
who did not want me to be their king.
Who did not want me to be their king.
Bring them here.
Bring them here.
And kill them in my
and
presence.
kill them in my presence. No one confirm verse we.
Yeah.
No one confirm Matthew chapter 5 verse 43. No one say yes to contradiction.
Oh, yeah.
Where contradiction?
Ah, David.
Where contradiction?
Ah, David.
Yes.
I
am the master of high rank no and the kasa wa ha. I don't look as any rare a parable.
Oh yes.
Many of them you.
Ah.
Yen sakakra. Yen yasa. I was a friend. Yeah, see, let's remind ourselves again about the YouTube channel, True Telling Time TV. True Telling Time TV. Most subscribe to the YouTube channel. No? What you say? When you subscribe to the channel, you also make sure you turn your notification bell on.
Oh yes.
When you turn it on, it means you are going to have a notice, and you are going to be notified whenever a video is being uploaded. Okay? Anytime I the video to hobby no, your mama what you say. TTT or upload the video.
Oh, yes.
Now also work on your I share, because this is the time for the truth.
Oh, yes.
This is a truth telling time. What you say? This is a truth telling time. Timoma yina yembua yehu yembua movement no. Me say this is a very big burden. We should not let it upon one person. What you say? Or say yina yem play your part. What you say? Let's all play our bit part. Nti G4 Mama Matthew say Luke 19:27 and Matthew 5:43 and your contradiction.
Oh yes.
Number 1. And Papa I don't know the Wakana 70 say Jesus was referring to himself.
Referring to him killing people. Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me. Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19:27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me. Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19:27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to be their king, bring them here and slay them before me. Slay them before me. Jesus said that those of you who don't want me to be, their king, bring them here and cut their throat. Luke 19:27, Jesus said, referring to him killing people, Jesus said, for those of you who do not want me to...
Yeah, say it. Also Luke 19:27, Jesus referring to himself that those enemies of mine who do not want me to be their king, bring them here. And no, Jesus was not referring to himself. He was giving a parable. Jesus has never given any gold coin to any servant for anybody to make profit on it. Where was Jesus made king? In a foreign land? Foreign land anyway. Where was Jesus? Hey, John chapter 6. John 6. Say yes. Hey, who told you Jesus was referring to himself? Sheikh Papa will come through. Yay! You need to get people like we. People like we. Me and they talk you. Yeah, fear no man.
Yeah.
John 6:10.
Verses 10.
Story na say. Over story na okay John chapter 6. I want to say yes to the panel 5 and then nam 2. And the man nipa 5,000. Me.
Verse 10. Make the people sit down.
Nti ye say tama yesu e preaching no na nkrofo mo dosu ye pa na adi yasan na say Philip I say Philip and baby catch yesu say adi yasan say nyonu po a esuanfo ba ko ba yesu nche and catch yesu say papa yesu nkomo na e de ba adi san krasifo nti man nkrofo e nem omunko ana ekoso no say nkrofo obi na wo pa no 5 ana we ana yesu catch
There was a lot.
No.
Make the people sit down.
Jesus catch the and say, make the people sit down.
Jesus told them.
There
was a lot of glass there.
There were a lot of grass there.
So all the people sat down. There were about 5,000 men. Jesus took the bread, gave thanks to God,
yes,
and distributed it to the people who were sitting there. He did the same,
yes,
with the fish. And they all had as much as they wanted.
Yes.
When they were all full,
when the people were all full,
he said to his disciples,
Jesus said to the disciples,
gather the pieces left over.
Story with the dada. So Jesus catch a phone and say, hey, let
us not waste any.
Let us not waste any.
So they gathered them all.
The Egyptian book of the dead, no? Oh, yeah. The 42 negative sayings. You say, I have not wasted food. I have not wasted food. Sorry, I have not wasted food. And to us, let us
not waste any.
Let us waste any. Yes.
Let us not waste any.
Let us not waste any.
So they gathered them all.
So they gathered all the leftover of the food.
They gathered them all up.
Yes.
And filled 12 baskets with the pieces left over.
Okay.
From the 5 barley loaves which the people had eaten. Seeing this miracle.
According to Sheikh Muhammad Awal.
Yeah.
Luke chapter 19. Jesus was referring to himself.
Oh, yes.
Meaning Jesus was making.
Seeing this miracle.
That
Jesus had performed.
The
people there said. Surely. This is the prophet. Who was to come into the world.
Yes.
Jesus knew that they were about to come and seize him in order to make him king.
Yes.
By force. So he went off again.
Jesus ran away
to the hills by himself.
Jesus knew until verse 14.
Verses number 14.
John chapter 6 verse 14.
Seeing this miracle
that Jesus has performed,
the people said, surely this is the prophet who was to come
into the world.
Jesus knew that.
Jesus started realizing that
they were about to
the people will come and seize him
in order to make him
king by force.
So he went off again.
And I always say Jesus was referring to himself in Luke chapter 19. In Luke chapter 19, the person Jesus was talking about was made king. You have not met us before, eh? That's why. Yenti adewe na yenyina yensua bibi kakra Ephraim. What you say? Yensua bibi kakra Ephraim. Ti Sheikh Awal Muhammad Yesu wende hini. Nti say Luke 19 refer to Yeshua. I intro the first one. Ana Yesu so wanka say yemfa na tamfo bra bibia na emekom. Yesu na come Matthew 5:43 say pray for your enemies, bless them. Me I'm not going to pray for any enemy. Me yes I pray for enemy ben. Monsantie papa no say the translated Quran onye Quran nti omo jina sa de we no so cancel a debate between the Sheikh Muhammad Awal and Avram Bimoshe. Montie we na yambra sesia.
To talk about Islam, translation or transliteration or something like that.
Right. Mostly they use the translation, and it's very unfortunate. Translation is the direct language of the writer or the person who is translating his understanding of the Quranic text. That's what he write down. That is his word. That is his translation. I will do the same translation, but I will use different language. I will use different words, a different key point. So translation is not the Quran. It is an effort by the translator to give us an idea of what the Arabic text is. The Arabic text, which is the Mus'haf, that is the original book, it can never be equated with the translation. So if anyone is starting upon translation to use that as a basis of his knowledge of Islam, really is funny. Besides, there is Asbabun Nuzul. Each and every verse in the Quran have a reason why it came down. It's a sign that people study Asbabun Nuzul. In which situation was the Messenger Muhammad? Why was this verse revealed and ordered? These are big signs. it takes about 20 years to educate yourself more into all these things. So you can't just grab a book in translation by anybody, any Tom, Dick, and Harry, and say, I'm going to debate Muslim because in Quran says this and that in English. No. The Arabic text, you should be speaking Arabic to understand what the Quran is.
So in that translation, they have a different kind of translation.
Yes, we have different translation, different transliteration. The wording are different. That could differ because yours is different, mine is different, his is different. That's our understanding. But the basic theme is the same. But the original Quran is free from, human manipulation, subtraction, addition. That is the pure Quranic that Allah is talking about. Translation, we are trying to explain.
Abuzian.
Yeah.
Papano, Sheikh Muhammad Awal say the translated Quran is not Quran.
Oh yes.
Therefore, it cannot be used to disprove Islam. And now, Meso Mebisa say, Timer, Omo Fred Avram for the debate, no. Now, Omo Nim say, Avram, on Timi kind Arabic Quran.
Aye.
If you don't know, if they didn't know that Avram could not read the Arabic Quran and they called him for a debate, it means these people are disorganized.
Oh yes.
And if they know and they call for the debate and later all cancel it, it means they are afraid. You don't need to be a scholar. It is so simple. If it is because Avram doesn't understand English, that is why you cancel the debater, then I am asking you, when did you realize that Avram cannot speak English? Is it after calling for the debate or before you call for the debate? If after calling for a debate, it means you are stupid. If before calling for a debate, it means you are afraid to meet him. It means you are afraid. Okay? You don't need to be a scholar. It is so simple. If it is because Avram doesn't understand English, that is why you cancel the debater, then I am asking you, when did you realize that Avram cannot speak English? Is it after calling for the debate or before you call for the debate? If after calling for a debate, it means you are stupid. If before calling for a debate, it means you are afraid to meet him.
Of a copy of the Holy Quran.
Abuzian, nti mo amote mo masumwa what you say now the can say some people they are spiritual Saudi Arabians.
Oh yes.
They are spiritual Saudi Arabians, and even your book is saying that each messenger we have sent has spoken in the language of his own people.
Oh yes.
So that he might make the message clear to them. So I am waiting for that away prophet.
Oh yes.
Who will have the message from Allah for me.
Yes.
Wait for that prophet who will speak in your own language, having a message from Allah for you. Stop learning the language of the prophet.
Oh yes.
The prophet is to speak in your language. What you say? You will so come through telling that when you follow page, we have Facebook page now. Follow page, you see what you say. Facebook follow page, you know. See anytime you bass no. Now also what you then and share in the message. What you say now YouTube also no subscribe. Who open so my special support beer your number and that screen also no. +233 54 123 2463. O WhatsApp and as offer and I say open so boy with a resource. Offer sa number na and o WhatsApp sa number ya Osama Kai. Me because the teacher. I am a telephone number, a direct number. What you say? And I'm more supporting kakra na damon na say.
Oh yes.
You didn't catch them. When you offer me a support, I am not going to give it to any god.
Oh yes.
Besides, I don't know any god that spends CD, dollar, euro, or whatever. Meaning Hagar 2, Hagar chapter 2. verse 8, I'll say, all the silvers and the gold in the well are mine. All the silvers and the gold in the well are mine. Nyankopon say, ewiase sika and dwethe nyina eye ne de nti de mo san koma you say de koma bua nyame djuma na obetime bua nyame djuma. Can you help the word of God? Nyankopon ohia mbua debi nti when you offer a support to Truth Telling Time, it's not for any God. You are not doing it for God, maybe to bless you. Maybe if that is your intention, me, that is not my intention. Okay? What you say? Auntie, more person also supportive with something like that, you know. Ebiso na twem no. Your to customer your t-shirt on order, call 024 81 80 169 for advertisement, sponsorship, or to support this program. What you say? To support this program, call or WhatsApp us on +233 541 23 2463. Now, if you want to help TTT Truth Telling Time with a live streaming camera, you can also call this same number on the screen. Now, with live streaming camera, and also we need to do production where a studio so it's production. You will interview a lot of pastors and bring many people together. What you saying? And then question you be say, who is a great liar? Avram Bimoshe or Sheikh Muhammad Awal? What Ebusia? Wasumwa. Ye share part 1. And I'll say Moses would be in or Israel. Even the land of Israel. No Moses one. The same thing in the Quran. The mother of Isa, the mother of Jesus in the Quran, is the sister of Moses who died in the desert. Numbers 20. So what do I want to say? Someone who died in the desert is the one who gave to Jesus in the Quran. How possible? Meanwhile, the Quran was written later. Even the New Testament came before the Quran. Numbers 20. Verse 1.
In the first month,
the
whole community of Israel came to the wilderness.
The whole communities of Israel came to the wilderness
of Zin and camped at Kadesh. Then Miriam died and was buried.
Miriam died and was buried.
Oh, yes.
Miriam died in the wilderness of Zin, in the place of Kadesh, and she was buried there.
Oh, yes.
And the same Miriam gave birth to Jesus in the Quran. Muhammad so can Sheikh Muhammad Awal so can say Moses, who died in the mountains of Pisgah, was king in Israel. Monfa Abusiam, you better must say more to me follow you media way from the very beginning till now. Why? From the very beginning till now. Abusiam supporting the here papa. Mamu just support you know. What you say? Because one can say more share your videos kekeno. Who share videos kekeno? You have problem with your family. You have problem with your friends. Ne ye de ye ni. Abe shame say. Wa hwe enye small. Nti mo ambuaye de abe ye de papa. Ti yedamu nyina se. Nti yedamu nyina se. Your YouTube channel so aye Truth Telling Time TV. Truth Telling Time TV. Na mo subscribe. All Common Sense family leaders, Common Sense family members. Ichemu nyina and the leaders also Shara P Black, Avram Bimoshe, Yahuda and management. Bafwe Jam, Chiamunina, and all our supporters and advisors. Edamunina say, Abusia, yes, Sepe Hunkakra, na yen fancy ho. Edamunina say.